Discover the perfect blend of comfort and confidence with this stunning women's V-neck spaghetti strap nightdress. Designed to make you feel effortlessly beautiful, it hugs your silhouette while offering a soft, breathable touch for a dreamy night's rest. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or embracing a cozy evening, this elegant piece adds a hint of allure to your wardrobe, making every moment feel special, intimate, and truly yours. Number 1. New Women V-neck spaghetti strap nightdress sexy. Feel a deeper sense of charm and self-appreciation with this elegant women V-neck spaghetti strap nightdress designed for unforgettable nights. The gentle fabric glides across skin, creating a soothing sensation that brings calm after a long day. Its graceful silhouette enhances natural beauty, helping you feel confident, desired, and effortlessly attractive in your own space. Perfect for quiet evenings or meaningful moments, this sleeveless pajama awakens emotion, making every glance in the mirror more satisfying. The delicate design reflects softness, intimacy, and personal expression without trying too hard. It becomes more than sleepwear, turning into a feeling of warmth, closeness, and quiet confidence. Slip into something that understands your mood, lifts your spirit, and transforms ordinary nights into memorable experiences filled with comfort and subtle elegance. Number 2. Solid Satin Split-Slip Nightdress Elegant V-Neck Backless. Indulge in a luxurious feeling of grace and self-expression with this solid satin split-slip nightdress created to inspire confidence and emotional comfort. The smooth surface brings a gentle touch that relaxes both body and mind, helping you unwind in a peaceful way. Its flowing drape enhances your natural form, allowing you to feel beautiful, confident, and effortlessly appealing within your personal space. Perfect for calm nights or intimate moments, this elegant sleep dress awakens a sense of desire and inner warmth that feels deeply personal. The refined look carries a quiet charm that reflects softness, femininity, and individuality without effort. It becomes more than something you wear, turning into a comforting presence that supports your mood and emotions. Let every evening feel special, where simplicity meets elegance and your confidence shines through in the most natural and graceful way possible. Number 3. Nightdress Sexy Comfortable Long Slip Dress. Embrace a soothing sense of beauty and personal comfort with this elegant women nightdress designed to elevate your everyday moments. The gentle texture offers a relaxing feel that helps you unwind peacefully after a long routine, creating a calm and pleasant atmosphere. Its graceful flow complements your natural shape, allowing you to feel confident, charming, and effortlessly stylish within your own space. Ideal for quiet evenings or restful nights, this long slip dress encourages a deeper emotional connection with yourself, bringing warmth and serenity into your routine. The solid color adds a timeless touch that reflects simplicity, refinement, and inner confidence without distraction. More than just sleepwear, it becomes a part of your self-care ritual, enhancing your mood and creating a sense of ease. Let each night feel comforting, where elegance meets relaxation in the most natural and beautiful way. Number 4. Valentine's Day Sexy Backless Ice Silk Slip Dress. Feel a gentle spark of romance awaken within as you slip into this beautiful Valentine Day-inspired backless nightdress designed for unforgettable evenings. The smooth touch creates a cooling sensation that calms your body and refreshes your mood after a long day. Its soft flowing style enhances your natural elegance, helping you feel confident, graceful, and quietly immersive in your personal space. Perfect for warm nights or relaxed moments at home, this short slip dress brings a sense of closeness and emotional comfort that feels truly special. The delicate appearance reflects tenderness, passion, and individuality in a subtle yet powerful way. More than simple sleepwear, it becomes part of your self-expression, lifting your spirit and deepening your connection with yourself. Let every night carry a sense of beauty, where comfort meets charm in the most effortless and soothing manner. Number 5. Solid Satin Pajama Set V-Neck Cami Top Shorts Women's Sleepwear. Enjoy a peaceful blend of relaxation and personal style with this solid satin pajama set designed to bring comfort into your everyday routine. The smooth fabric creates a gentle touch that helps your body feel at ease, allowing your mind to slow down after a busy schedule. Its soft appearance enhances your natural charm, making you feel confident, relaxed, and quietly radiant in your own space. Perfect for calm evenings or slow mornings, this sleepwear encourages a sense of balance and emotional comfort that feels deeply satisfying. The graceful look reflects simplicity, elegance, and individuality without effort. It becomes more than something you wear, turning into a soothing experience that supports your mood and inner peace. Let each moment at home feel warm and comforting, where ease meets beauty and your sense of self feels naturally uplifted and cared for.